Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about half-inch ratchet from Gedore. The part number of this ratchet is 1993U20. The length of this ratchet is 27 cm. Gedore usually make their ratchet with flat shaft unlike others. Most of the other brand ratchets have round shaped shaft usually. I like how this Gedore logo is stamped. Look at these letters, prominent and aggressive style stamping, just like in old school forging rough pattern. The chrome finish is typical rough. German tools are like that usually. Part number and made in Germany is stamped onto the other side of the shaft. I love how Gedore forged their products. By the way, Gedore is famous for their robust forging process. Ratchet handle has two component design. Blue part is harder and black part is softer. It's got hanger hole too. It is also anti-slip handle. Material is dirt, chemical and oil resistant. Somehow this style of Gedore handle is one of my favorites. It fits perfectly in my hand. Selector switch is recessed and made out of solid metal. Selector switch has little notch for non-slip function. It's also protruding downward for easy engagement. It's a solid mechanism. Quick release button is smooth. Gear teeth are 60, which is not very fine tooth mechanism for today's standards, but I tell you guys, it is smooth and silky, just like their other ratchets. It's a quality piece. Look this ratchet. Let's bring few other ratchets from different brands for quick comparison. I have got here Snap-on, Hazet, Stahlwille and Bahco. I have got here extended length ratchet from Gedore just to give you a brief comparison since it's different style ratchet. This ratchet has round shaped head versus pear shape. It's got screws on the back versus front of the head. This selector switch allows to have breaker bar function by keeping the selector switch on 90-degree angle, whereas this pear shaped ratchet does not have that function. This ratchet has 48 gear teeth versus 60 of pear shaped ratchet, but 48 gear teeth ratchet is way smoother and less back drag. Both have similar push button style for quick release function. Now let's compare these two. For initial appearance, you guys can see Bahco has smaller head. Bahco ratchet is slightly shorter. Both have comfort grip handle. Bahco ratchet has also nice grippy handle. Both have flat shafts. Shiny chrome versus rough chrome. Bahco ratchet selector is not recessed, but it's smooth. But I like Gedore switch more. Both have smooth quick release button and both have pear shaped head. Bahco ratchet has way slimmer profile head. Gedore has 60 gear teeth versus Bahco 72 gear teeth. Both feels equally smooth. Bahco ratchet is light in weight. Gedore is heavier and feels solid. Bahco has more gear teeth and has smaller head, but this Gedore ratchet feels superior in my opinion. Here comes Stahlwille ratchet. Both are heavy duty. Stahlwille has slightly narrower head, but little bigger on ratchet head back side. Flat side versus round style shaft. Stahlwille handle is nice too, but I like Gedore one slightly more. Stahlwille ratchet feels bit heavier. Both have nice and smooth selector switch. Both are recessed. Switching seems bit easier on Gedore one, but Stahlwille switch is slightly smoother. Both have rough chrome industrial finish, but Stahlwille seems bit smoother. Gedore ratchet has slightly smoother quick release button. Now gear teeth on Stahlwille is 80 versus 60. Stahlwille has less back drag than the Gedore one. Now we got here Snap-on American brand. Flat style versus round style. Rough chrome finish versus shiny chrome of Snap-on. This Snap-on ratchet has metal handle versus comfort grip of Gedore. Snap-on offers comfort grip ratchet too, but I don't have with me. Snap-on is on heavier side. selector switch of Snap-on is not recessed and got no quick release button. But Snap-on do offer quick release button version 2. Snap-on logo is on the back of the head. Snap-on ratchet has 80 gear teeth and is a bit smoother than the Gedore one. Snap-on gear is less noisy too. Here comes the Hazet ratchet. Hazet ratchet has round shaft, part number and made in Germany is stamped onto the shaft. Hazet has grainy chrome finish. Length is almost same. Both have comfort grip handle. Selector switch of Hazet is bit bigger. Both are recessed and both have same stiffness. Quick release button of Hazet needs slightly more push power, but it is robust and firm as compared to Gedore. Hazet teeth are way finer than Gedore one. It's got 90 gear teeth versus 60, but both are almost equally smooth. Hazet ratchet feels bit heavier. Okay guys, that was a brief comparison. This ratchet from Gedore gives high quality feelings. It is also a heavy duty and robust ratchet. This is made in Germany and quality is there definitely. Now it's time for you guys. What do you guys think about this ratchet and the comparison? Feel free to comment below. If you are not a subscriber, consider to like and subscribe. Thanks for coming along. I will see you in another video.